So here we have an update on Wear Spark with gimbal and GoPro, radio command and analog video with OSD. Today we will demonstrate the OSD functionality and the integration with the radio command to pilot the GoPro function like change modes, record and take snapshots. Okay, so we have configured the radio command with a 4 switch to operate on GoPro. This kind of function will be available also with a Sony QX10, and but now we will demonstrate it on GoPro to let you see how it works. Here we have the OSD. You can see on the top side and on the bottom of the screen the GoPro information about the current mode, and in the center of the screen there is the SD of the ground station, so you have all information about drone position, battery voltage, battery charge, current, the drone mode. So now the drone is in stabilized mode and is disarmed, is blinking, so is disarmed. Now is in RTL. Here we have the heading and also the heading towards the target and the GPS position. Okay. On the radio command we have a 4 switch configured to change the GoPro modes and function, so we will demonstrate it now. Okay.
Resolution, 2K resolution, Full HD resolution, and the screen mode, medium, narrow and wide. And now I start recording here.
You can also see on the GoPro the LED red is blinking.
Now I stop the recording and I start taking picture every 5 seconds.
Okay.